Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Dr. Siti and all of my friends. My name is Siti Farisha Akmar, binti Faizi from AS2294A. I would like to present to you about Module 1 Introduction to ArcGIS. The objective of this module is first, to understand the fundamental of GIS using ArcGIS. Next, to familiarize the component in the ArcGIS. And lastly, to recognize the geospatial data. Next, I will explain to you about the differences of three components of ArcGIS desktop in terms of interface and function. First is ArcMap. As for the interface, ArcMap is main mapping application. For the functions, ArcMap is used to create maps for the query attributes, to analyze the spatial relationships and lay out final projects. As for the ArcCatalog, for the interface, ArcCatalog organizes spatial data contained on computer and various other locations. As for the functions, ArcCatalog maintains the geospatial data, manage metadata, and set up address locator services or geocoding. And lastly, for the ArcToolbox, for the interface, it is the application of the ArcGIS desktop. It is easily accessed and used within ArcMap and ArcCatalog. For the functions, ArcToolbox provides reference to the toolbox to facilitate user interface in ArcGIS to access and organize collections of geoprocessing tools. Next, I will explain to you on how to arrange data in the ArcCatalog. First, start the ArcMap. Second, double-click the ArcCatalog icon with left-click on the desktop to open the catalog window. Lastly, the alternative way is by opening it from the Windows Start menu by selecting the programs, next ArcGIS, and lastly the ArcCatalog. Next, we move to the next slide. I will teach you about how to identify the layer into different types of metadata. As for the layer, according to the ESRI, the layer file.lyr stores symbology classifications, labeling properties, scale dependency, and definition. If you save something in this format, it means that unlike shapefiles, colors, and other characteristics are saved and will appear the same every time you open it. Next, we need to identify the individual features. After opening the map of Root Klang Valley, you need to right-click on the information to open the attribute table. In the attribute table, you will find the information about the river, road, district, and state of the Klang Valley. Lastly, I will explain about the features and describe the information from the attribute table. For this slide, I choose the attribute table of Road Klang Valley. In this attribute table, it shows the shape, area, and the name of the area included in the Road Klang Valley.